Are you ready for a deep brain reset? Dive deep with Delta Sleep and wake up restored. Benefits of a premium sleep and brain health supplement. You may have occasional sleep disturbances, or you're suffering from brain fog, poor concentration, anxiety, and memory loss because your sleep is not deep enough. Delta Sleep will nourish the brain with the right nutrients and use its proprietary formula for brain improvement during the only scientifically proven cognitive enhancement state, sleep. Restores natural sleep cycles. Delta Sleep uses melatonin, a powerful antioxidant neurohormone, to regulate the biological clock and sleep-wake cycles. Protects the brain, packed with antioxidants and amino acids that nourish the brain and work against cell damage. Adaptogenic and deep relaxant, uses medical plants with adaptogenic properties to build stress resistance and boost your mood. Induces deep Delta Sleep to restore and enhance cognitive function. Melatonin, magnesium, B vitamin in synergy with carefully selected plants induce the state of deep Delta Sleep to improve memory, problem solving, language processing, and creativity. Are you ready to think clearly? Experience the difference Delta Sleep can make. Powerful ingredients of premium sleep and brain health supplement. Delta Sleep is original formulation of 18 smartly chosen ingredients for deeply rejuvenating sleep that makes you smarter. Some of them are: melatonin neurohormone. Regulates body's circadian rhythm, increases duration and overall sleep quality. Its properties prevent oxidative stress and support cognitive health. Magnesium mineral. Important for muscle and nerve function, key role in relaying signals between brain and body, relaxes, reduces anxiety, improves sleep. Ashwagandha herb. Powerful herbal adaptogen, fights stress, promotes restful sleep, improves brain function, memory, and concentration. B6 vitamin. Necessary for creating neurotransmitters that regulate emotions, serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. Goji fruit. Promotes neuroplasticity, improves quality of sleep, ease of awakening, mental acuity, calmness, and feelings of happiness. L-tryptophan amino acid. Supports positive mood, works against memory loss. L-taurine amino acid. Supports positive mood and a healthy inflammation response. Potent for supporting cognitive health. L-theanine amino acid. Provides anxiety and stress relief, improves cognitive function, attention, and focus. Are you ready for a deep brain reset? Dive deep with Delta Sleep and wake up restored. The science behind the premium sleep and brain health supplement. Delta Sleep is formulated with carefully selected ingredients that work in synergy to restore slow-wave deep sleep, deep brain rest, and rejuvenation. Its powerful ingredients deeply nourish the brain while it sleeps to promote neuroplasticity, protect it from oxidative damage, build stress resilience, and boost mood and cognition. Almost 50 scientific studies were used in the research of the sleep science, cognitive enhancement, and healing power behind each of Delta Sleep ingredients. Delta Sleep created a unique proprietary formula that understands the way the brain works and makes it sleep deeper and smarter. Do you need Delta Sleep? If you suffer from a sleep disorder or disturbance and/or memory problems, brain fog, reduced focus and alertness, and poor stress management, the answer is yes. Doctor recommended. Safe and natural components for deep sleep and brain rejuvenation. Take 2 capsules 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Are you ready to think clearly? Experience the difference Delta Sleep can make. See for yourself what our customers have to say about Delta Sleep. Our word and the word of science might not be enough for you. See what our customers have to say about Delta Sleep. Linda, PA. I never thought that my poor concentration and memory loss had anything to do with my sleep. I tried the all-natural Delta Sleep and now feel deeply rested, wake up refreshed, in my memory and focus improved greatly. Thank you, Delta Sleep. Mary Haney, CA. I have had sleep troubles from since I could remember. My sleep was never sound, I'd react to every sound, and if stress levels rose, I'd completely lose it. With Delta Sleep's newfound sleep hygiene ritual, I finally found a solution. I fully recommend this wonderful supplement. Real transformations. Client success stories. Mara F. I decided to try Delta Sleep because I was having a terrible time winding down at night, staying asleep, and getting that restful night's sleep. Now I love the way I feel in the morning. Daryl J. I've been living with poor sleep habits for a long time, so I decided to try Delta Sleep by Active Formulations. It helps me fall asleep faster, with a deeper sleep, and wake up refreshed. Carly B. What sold me was the ingredients. I couldn't find anything with such clean and wonderful ingredients until I found Delta Sleep. Now that I have it, I'm able to pursue healthy habits. Are you ready for a deep brain reset? Dive deep with Delta Sleep and wake up restored. Delta Sleep was formulated to improve sleep quality, build stress resistance, and enhance cognitive performance. Restores natural sleep-wake cycle, regulates body's biological clock naturally. Protects the blood-brain barrier, BBB, packed with antioxidants to support a healthy inflammation response and provide neuroprotective properties. Improves memory, attention, and reasoning, feed brain with selected nutrients, and boost its cognitive power. Terms of use, privacy policy, contact us, return and refund policy, anti-spam references. The statements made on our websites have not been evaluated by the FDA, U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Products and statements have not been evaluated by the European Medicines Agency or Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, cure, or prevent any disease. The information provided by this website or this company is not a substitute for a face-to-face consultation with your physician, and should not be construed as individual medical advice. The testimonials on this website are individual cases and do not guarantee that you will get the same results.